Hello Queens, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're most welcome to my channel once again. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. So guys, if you are just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my videos but you have subscribed, come on, do join us, okay? And do subscribe. Remember to turn on bell notification so that you don't miss out on my videos as not uploaded in the channel. Thank you so much as you join us. To you, my returning viewers, thanks for always coming back to watch our videos. Thanks for sticking around. You guys are the reason why we are always showing up. So guys, please keep supporting us and keep bringing mind-blowing videos to you. Thank you so much, my ladies. Just like today's video, we have carefully selected most unique and trending chrome Christmas nails ideas. Yeah, these are chrome nails. You're gonna be seeing different unique designs, okay, different unique shapes and colors. If you're a lover of chrome nail designs, then this video is definitely for you. Just watch it from beginning to the end to select your best slides or even slides, okay? So you can as well combine different nails to achieve a very beautiful nail look. And as you watch, please support us by liking the video, share and comment. We'll be waiting for a lovely comment section. Just tell us, will you be trying any of these nails? Just let us know in the comment section. And should in case this is not what you want, maybe you're looking for other nails ideas, just feel free to go into our channel, for we have unique designs. We have lots and lots of stunning videos on nails. Just go check them out. Also remember, you can as well find hairstyles in our channel. Just go and check them out and you'll be glad. And as you watch, like, comment and share. We wait for a love comment section. See you guys in our next video.